Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come back with another video. In this video, you will get 40 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given 35 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is the Complete Python Game Development course for 2021. In this course, you will learn the Python basics and apply them into real-world project, master the Pygame 2D game development, learn how to use object-oriented programming is used in practice, create playable games to our own sense of achievement, take user input to change the game state, animate the gaming characteristic and display the text, playing music and import pictures inside the game. This course includes 5 on-demand video, 1 article, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is Drupal for Absolute Beginner 2021. In this course, you will understand ins and out of Drupal. You will able to build your own Drupal site. You will able to manage your Drupal site. You will able to install Drupal computer. You will able to create content on your Drupal site. You will able to lay out your Drupal site. You will able to install, update and use Drupal module. You will able to install, update and use Drupal themes. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is SQL, the complete introduction to SQL programming. In this course, you will learn basic SQL programming, analysis, basic data with SQL, use various keywords to perform different tasks, understand all theoretical of SQL, manipulate data in different way. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is complete iOS bootcamp, Swift and Objective-C. In this course, you will learn beginner to advanced iPhone, iPad app development with Swift, Objective-C, and Xcode. This course is 35.5 on-demand video, 11 article, 4146 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to Java Programming. In this course, you will learn basic of Java programming, OOP in Java, threads in Java, IO stream in Java, garbage collection in Java, exception handling in Java, generic in Java, collection in Java. This course is 6.5 on-demand video, 19 article, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Complete JavaScript with HTML5, CSS3 from 0 to hero expert. In this course, you will learn great skill like HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap framework. You will also be able to complete web development project process for finish to start. In this course, you will learn about media query and which will be able to make design your perfect responsive design. You will learn about web design guidelines which you apply from real world web project. You will be able to build modern looking website which look like great at a small and wide screen. You will be able to get complete code of real responsive website. This course is 17.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Learn jQuery for beginner. In this course, you will learn embedding jQuery, jQuery syntax selector, class ID, jQuery event, jQuery mouse effect, jQuery animation, jQuery event handler, jQuery callback and changing function, jQuery queue function, jQuery append and prepend, jQuery toggle graphs. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Python for beginner course in depth. In this course, you will learn getting started Python for command line, values and data types, operators and operands function call, write the script to general productivity tasks, and read and compile Python gain knowledge of regards of general programming concept, data types, data conversion, function statement and expression. Use variable to store, retrieve and calculate information. Mathematical function, random function, trigonometry function, trigonometry inverse function. CGI programming, web server configuration. This course is 7 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is complete online marketing and advertising course. In this course, you will learn how to build amazing income by generating funnels that sell, the right way to do online advertising like a pros do, how to advertise effectively on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, and how to do banner set. Learn how to make marketing pros do leads generation to get floods of new customer sales and build their email listing. How to get best result for from your online advertising to boost your profit. Learn your pros fight, build hug customer based on massive sales, how they really drive the traffic and make more money. System that sound good but doesn't. This course in 2.5 on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is LinkedIn advertisement for I for one B2B marketing 2021. In this course, you will learn LinkedIn advertising, B2B marketing, B2B marketing. This course includes two on demand video, one downloadable service, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is certified Instagram marketing professional CPD accredits. In this course, you will learn skyrocket Instagram following, convert followers to paying customers, and grow your brand with Instagram marketing. This course is 1.5 on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is certified LinkedIn marketing professional CDP accredits. In this course, you will learn how to use killer company profile on LinkedIn that will help you to convert more leads and increase sales. Discover the secret of effectively use content marketing on LinkedIn to gain connection and increase brand awareness. Learn why it is important to measure and monitor the result of the marketing efforts on LinkedIn. Learn why to upgrade with premium LinkedIn account and can be used for targeted leads. Discover a secret of finding and selling the prospect of LinkedIn. Find out the rookie leading master to your need to avoid LinkedIn to generate more leads successfully. This course is 1.5 on demand video, one article, full downloadable service, live, excel mobility and certification completion. Next course is TikTok marketing, make easy for beginner TikTok marketing. In this course, you will learn use TikTok marketing to drive laser target traffic to your offers, increase the level of engagement with your audience through TikTok marketing. TikTok marketing, which got most exposure to your offers, measure success of your TikTok marketing campaign, get best TikTok result in cost-effective manner. This course is 1.5 on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is certified Facebook marketing professional CPD accredits. In this course, you will learn increase your brand awareness and online presence with Facebook marketing and Facebook ads, boost long-term traffic for a business through Facebook marketing and Facebook ads, build a trust relationship with your Facebook audience and fans through the Facebook marketing and Facebook ads. Use Facebook marketing and Facebook ads to improve your search engine ranking. Discover a premium Facebook marketing tools and services of which sales and profit. This course is 1.5 on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is desktop support, troubleshooting healthcare IT technician. In this course, you will learn various types of hardware and software typical found in clinical environment, data protection with regard to GDPR and sensitive data, how to infect the computer procedure to apply the IT software technician, some real-world case and typical support ticket found in hospital. This course is 30 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next is 1Z0238 R12 Oracle install patch and maintain Oracle exam. This course is for practitioners, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next is Google AdWords Search Advertising Advanced Practice Test. This course is for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. Next is Google AdWords Reporting and Analytics Practice Exam. This course includes for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next course is Google AdWords Display Certified Practice Exam. This course is for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next course is Google AdWords Advertising Fundamental Practice Exam. This course is for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Practice Test. This course is for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next is Oracle Data SPL SQL Exam 1Z0144 Full Practice Exam 2021. This course is for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next course is Oracle Database 11G Program with PL SQL for practice test. This course is for practice test, full lifetime access, excel mobile. The next course is Introduction to Microsoft Word for beginner to intermediate. In this course, you will learn MS Word Office 365 application. This course is to around 1 6 downloadable full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is PMI, PBA, Business Analytics Certification Practice Test. This course is 5 practice tests, full lifetime access, extra mobile. Next course is SEP, C, BOE, 30 Certified Application Associate Object Exam. This course is 4 practice tests, full lifetime access, extra mobile. The next course is the complete 3D artist learn 3D art by creating 3D scene. In this course, you will learn the 3D skills of model, high quality 3D models, learn the fundamental of digital sculpting in Blender, add shader and texture in your 3D model, learn the fundamental of texture painting in Blender, add realistic and optimize lighting of your 3D scene, render and post product a final image in an artistic way. This course is 50 only one for article 239 downloadable full lifetime access, extra mobile and certification completion. The next course is Advanced Video Marketing for Beginner, Video Marketing Ads. In this course, you will learn how to create engaging and profitable video marketing campaign and boost leads, sales, and profit. Alternative video marketing methods that make instantly money. Advanced video marketing tips and tricks to boost your sales and profit. Increase your brand awareness and presence with video marketing. Boost sales media engagement level with video marketing. The best video marketing premium to consider. This course is 1.5 only 1 year 2 article, 1 downloadable versus full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Upwork Top Rated for Lifetime. In this course, you will learn 100% assured qualification to become top rated at Upwork, 100% assured qualification to remain top rated at Upwork, stress-free competition to communicate with Upwork client, deadlines manual to become a remain top rated Upwork agency. This course is 36 minutes, only 1 video, 1 article, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Product Marketing Psychology, Apply MBA level. In this course, you will learn project marketing psychology, consumer psychology, consumer behavior, psychology marketing, behavior marketing. This course is 2.5 only 1 video, 4 articles, 1 downloadable, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, assignment and completion. The next course is CA, PMI Associate Review Project Manager Practice Exam 1. In this course, you will 5 practices, full lifetime access, extra mobile. The next course is Best Business Productivity Training course. In this course, you will learn specific tools, strategy, and technique that you make your staff far from your productivity, multiple strategy for boosting employee performance, how to quickly take your company or division to next level, how to get the best result out of your employee, how to make your team to create amazing result and profit, how to plan and prioritize effectively, tools, strategy, and technique that will help you to your employee work at highest priority, how to plan and prioritize effectively. This course includes 2.5 only 1 year, 1 article, full lifetime access, extra warranty and certification completion. The next course is Bad Leadership and Management Training course. In this course, you will learn what are the current leadership and management challenges that are destroys companies, specific tool to strategy and techniques that will make you an excellent manager leader, multiple strategy for boosting employees' performance, how to create and manage effectively teams, how to dramatically increase your performance and accelerate your career path. Learn how to use perfect team to create amazing result and profit. How to quickly take your company to division to the next level. How to create business culture where people love to come back to work. This course in 2.5 only 1 year, 1 article, full lifetime access, exam mobility and certification completion. The next course is Ultimate Beginner Guide to Streamlab OBS. In this course, you will learn what is OBS, difference between OBS and SLOPs, who is SLOP for. This course is 2 hours, 1 year, full lifetime access, exam mobility and certification completion. The next course is Life Skill to Transform Your Life. In this course, you will learn how to pick your goal that will transform into your life, how to make real discussions, discover the life skills that have success, biggest impact of the success and how you feel, then having no such thing as a failure, discover how to get more and more intelligent and creative over time, discover nothing is impossible if you use skills and share these two other, learn the secret how to program mind and think better to 10 hour battle. This course you want on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, volunteer and certification completion. The next course is mental freedom from pain to power. In this course, you will gain a secret to how to free yourself from your past, gain the development understand to the drive people have action, learn how to be a good night's sleep tonight, break through a personal illusion and unleash your hidden potential, learn how to self-image determines what are you and will won't go and much more. Release from emotional pain and frustration by discovering how to emotion is really work and how to gain masters. See what the drive the habit and behavior yourself and other. Learn way to anxiety and depression. Discover how to pen and pleasant rules for life and secret how to make work for instead against you. This course includes 4.5 hour divided one article, full life science, Excel, mobile and certification completion. The next course is Magic of Word. In this course, you will learn discover the secret of communicating with your husband's heart and how to use the word to enjoy great intimacy. This course is 40 minutes on video, 3 article, 1 downloadable versus full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and certification completion. The next course is Learn English through Mini Story. In this course, you will learn everyday English, basic grammar, RP pronunciation, conversation, English. This course is 3 around the video, 19 downloadable versus full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and certification completion. Next course is MBA in Creative Art, Design and Animation Level 1 Part 3. In this course, we will learn comic creation for International 2021 edition. This course is 42 minutes on demand, one article, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and certification completion. The next course is MBA in Creative Art, Design and Animation Level 1 Part 9. In this course, you will learn 35 minutes on demand, one article, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and certification completion. The next course is MBA in Creative Art, Design and Animation Level 2 and Part 3. In this course, you will learn super fast web design using Udemy. This course is 1.5 on demand, one article, full lifetime access, mobile and certification completion. The next course is MBA in Creative Art, Design and Animation Level 2 Part 6. In this course, you will learn convert black and white photo to realistic color, remove image background using AI technology, create changing graphics for social media incredibly quickly, learn based on machine learning and deep learning techniques, and how to use AI tools for face makeup. This course is 40 minutes on demand video, one article, full lifetime access, mobile and certification completion. All the links of the course are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.